Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and in this C programming tutorial series we are going to learn about if and else conditions. Like, let's say you have a variable and that variable contains a specific value. Now you want to execute some statements based on some conditions. So how we are going to do that, we will be learning that in this tutorial. So let's start. So I am going to declare a variable which is called age, and this variable contains a value of 25. And now if we want to check if age is greater than equal to 18, we want to welcome the student, and if the age is less than 25, we are not going to welcome that specific student. So how we can do that? So we have to write if, then age. If age is greater than, this sign is called greater than, and if this is the other way around, like this one, this is called smaller than. So this is greater than equal to 25, we are going to print f welcome, and else if this condition does not match, we are going to print something else, which is not welcomed. So here, and we have to return 0, and if I run this program, you can see that we are welcomed because age is greater than equal to 25. If I change this to 18, this will also work because we have age is equal to 25, which is 25 is equal to or greater than 18. So we will see this welcome message. If I change the age to 15, let's see what happens. If I change to age to 15, then this statement will be get executed and not welcomed will be get printed. Now this is the simple one condition. Let's say you have multiple conditions, like if age is greater than, if age is greater than equal to 20, if age is equal to 20, then what was then you have to show a specific message. So how we can do that? We can do that using else if statement. You can do that here. We are going to say else if age is equal to 18 or age is equal to 15, we can say that printf you are nearly welcomed, and we should not forget this semicolon. And always remember to format your code, because if your code is not properly formatted, then it will become very difficult to read that code. And if I run this, and as you can see that age is 15 and age is equal, this means equality. If this is equal to this one, and this will return true, so this statement should be executed, and we can see that you are nearly welcome has been printed. And we can have multiple else if as well. So I am going to declare one more else if statement, which will be else if age is equal to 20, we can say that printf you are almost welcomed. If I do this, and I have to properly format that, and if I run this one, you can say that this is nearly, oh, I forgot to change this one. If I change to 20 or not 20, I am going to say 11, and I am going to say this one 11 as well. So we run this, so you can see that you are almost welcomed. So these are the conditions, and these are the else if structure and how else if works. So if none of these condition matches, then at least this will be printed. So if I make this to 10 and if I run this and none of these has been matched, so this statement will get executed, and we can see this. In the next tutorial, I will be talking about and or logics. So what are these? We will look at these in the next tutorial. Till then, keep watching these videos and keep learning. I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye.